This is Jessica Devereux of J. Devereux Beauty, and today is the first of what will be many tutorials on brow tinting, and you can purchase an at-home kit with us online or in store. They look like this, and I hope this helps. Enjoy. Let's start with an oil-free face wash. Cleanse the area. You're gonna get this in your kit and snip that off so you can clean it, reuse it. You'll get this in your kit, use the back, couple little tiny dots, equal parts, mix it together. Now I like the side of an angle brush, make sure it's synthetic. We carry this at our store, it's from Plume. And do a thin film, it's important to keep it thin, about the width of the brush, that's your guideline. And then add a little in the front. You don't want to leave this on too long, check it at around 3 minutes with a dry Q-tip. If anything needs to be retouched because it's a little light, you can put on a couple other dots. And then come back and check in another 3 minutes, and you can wipe off with a damp Q-tip when you feel like you got the color you want. So at the end, do a damp Q-tip. Wash it all off, brush, cup, your stick, and you can reuse it.
Three, two, one.